Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahajanan English Medium School, Nathej at Unas. I am taking SS subject. Today I am taking sixth standard SS, lesson number 3. Okay, our chapter was completed. Citizenship. Now we will start the exercise. So, better those who are not submitted lesson 1 and 2 exercise, they will be submitted as soon as possible to me. Okay, now the lesson number 3, citizenship. First question is, choose the correct answer. First is, which is the first social institutions coming in our context? From where we will be a start the first social institution? How can we will be a contact? Okay, those first options are school, neighboring, family and village. So answer is family, because family is first given the information to us how can live life a society, how can survive in the society. Now the question number 2, what do we get from the family? Family से हमें क्या मिलता है? What we will be a get? First one is a culture, identity, rights and citizen. So answer is a culture, because the family give us to culture first. Now third one, at what age the Indian citizen get the rights to vote? How in which age we will be given the uh, vote rights? Okay, 18, 19, 17 and 16. So answer is a 18 years old we will be given the rights of the voting. Okay, now fourth one, an elections identity card is a necessary citizen for. So first we will be a election identity card is given into the, when it is have in our hand, we will be a right for the given the voting. The first one is a right identity, voting and culture. So identity card want to need for the voting. Fifth one, by committee, which type of the crime and the Indian citizens lose his citizenship? How can the Indian people have to lose his citizenship? So national betrayals, thieves, murders and cheating. So that is a national betrayal. That means if we have to be loss of a nations, हमने अगर हमारे नेशंस के खिलाफ कुछ काम किया है, so our citizenship will be a loses. Now the main question to fill in the blanks. First one, a child gets knowledge related to the society first from his dash, means a family. Child get a knowledge कि हमें किस तरह हमारी सोसाइटी में रहना है, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, what is good for us, what is bad for us, what is acceptable and what is unacceptable. So that is given by the family. Okay. Second one, a family is called the best school for the culture person modding. यानी family हमारी best school है for the person and modding. Okay. Now the third one, an election identity card is a necessary for a citizen for the voting, because our identity card was necessary. ज़रूरी कब है? जब हम voting करने जाते हैं तब election card हमारा compulsory ज़रूरी है. And foreigner had to stay in the India for the 9 years of the more than of the Indian citizenship. कोई भी फॉरेनर इंसान को कितने साल के अंदर इंडिया में रहने के बाद सिटीजनशिप मिलती है? तो दैट इज़ अ 5 years. If any Indian committees offer of the patriot, then the Indian citizenship. If we have to be any offerings of the patriot of the Indian citizenship. Now, true and false. First one, family is the biggest unit of the society. No, false. Because afterwards we will be connected into the another unit, another contact also will be making our personality. We get culture from family. Yes, we have which type of the culture belonging following in our family, that is given by our family. Okay, so answer is true. An election identity card is an authoritative document for the citizenship. Election card first want to be a document. Authoritative document is a compulsory. That is a proof you are the citizen of this country. Okay, so answer is true. क्योंकि बेटा जो सिटीजनशिप होती है उसी को वोट देने का राइट्स है, और वोट देने के राइट्स के लिए इलेक्शन आइडेंटिटी कार्ड ज़रूरी है. सो दैट इज आंसर इज ट्रू. All people living in the India are Indian citizenship? No, false, because foreigners are coming here for the business, for purpose of this study. So it's those who are living in the India all are Indian citizenship is not a true, beta. Okay. Now, a person who is born in India automatically get the Indian citizenship. So answer is true. But if any person is born in any country, automatically they got that citizenship. Okay. So the answer is true. Sixth one. If any foreigner, man and woman, marries with an Indian citizen, he or she become the Indian citizen. Those who are from the foreigner, okay, if they are married with any man and woman, they have to coming here and they will be a marriage with them. So they have to got the citizenship. Yes, true. Okay, beta. Match the following. First one, a smallest unit of society. So first smallest unit of society है ना, हमें हमारी कहाँ से मिलती है, फैमिली से मिलती है. ओके. The foundation of the society foundation is a cooperation. We have to be connected with to each other. And authentic document of the citizenship is a election identity card. It's a too much compulsory. That is a proof of your citizenship. Okay, citizenship of both America and India. So in that lesson have to be a got the Nadeem, because their parents are living in a USA and the Nadeem will be a born on that. So automatically they have a both citizenship of America and India. But later on, whenever he will on 18 years, he will get only one citizenship. He is choose by him कि उसे कौन सी कंट्री में रहना है आफ्टर 18 years, एंड देन ही वॉज टेकन द डिसीजन विथ एनी वन कंट्री citizenship. Okay. Now answer the one and two sentence. Answer in one and two sentence. First one. Why do we call a family is the best school? Why we have say the family is the best school? Because he was a mold our personality and our give us to culture. Okay. फैमिली हमें हमारी पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप करती है, हमारा कल्चर सिखाती है. सो आंसर इज फैमिली इज़ द बेस्ट स्कूल बिकॉज इट मोल्ड्स द पर्सनैलिटी एंड गिव द कल्चर टू अस. नाउ सेकेंड वन. व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ द फैमिली आइडियोलॉजी इन द पर्सनस लाइफ? हमारी लाइफ में हमारी फैमिली क्या रोल अदा करती है, क्या हमें सिखाती है. ओके. द फैमिली आइडियोलॉजी हेल्प्स अ पर्सन टू मेक डिसीजन विच आर एक्सेप्टेबल और नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. हमारी फैमिली हमें सिखाती है कि तुम्हें अच्छा डिसीजन लेना है, क्या तुम्हारे लिए बेहतर है और क्या तुम्हारे लिए जो बेहतर नहीं है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज़ एक्सेप्टेबल एंड इट इज़ नॉट करेक्ट. डू नॉट हैव टू एक्सेप्टेबल ऑफ दिस. द फैमिली गिव टू दिस पर्सनैलिटी टू अस. अच्छा और बुरा सिखाते हैं पेरेंट्स कि बेटा ये गुड है तुम्हारे लिए, ये नहीं है, बैड हैबिट है, डोंट डू दिस वन. सो दे हैव टू बी एक्सेप्टेबल और नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. ये गलत हो रहा है तो उसे नहीं बर्दाश्त करना है, यहाँ पे तुम्हें बताना है, हमें बोलना है. पेरेंट्स सिखाते हैं ना बेटा. तो ये हर फैमिली में होना चाहिए कि बच्चे अपना फ्रीली अपने पेरेंट्स से बात कर सके. ओके. थर्ड वन. हाउ डू अ फैमिली एंड अ स्कूल हेल्प द पीपल? फैमिली एंड स्कूल हाउ द हेल्प टू अस? द फैमिली एंड द स्कूल हेल्प द पीपल टू लिव नेचुरल लाइफ and to live better life. How can you will be living your life is naturally and the better. Okay. Fourth one. How do the social institution help a man? A social institution help to mold and develop the personality of. Okay. Fifth one. When does an Indian citizen get a right to vote? हमें कब right है वोट देने का? So become a 18 years, your election card will be made, and after 18 years you will be a right for given the vote. And the Indian citizens gets a right to vote after completion of 18 years. Okay, beta. Now answer the following question. Main question 6 and answer main question 7. Answer the brief. So later on I will start answer the following question, then answer the brief. Answer the following question. First one. Who is called a citizen? Okay. Citizen किसको बोलते हैं? A citizen who is living in any part of country or a nation. a person is living any part of our country or nation who is enjoying all political and social rights and performing duty towards the country nation is called a citizen. हमें हमारी कंट्री की जितनी भी पॉलिटिकल और सोशल राइट्स है उसे परफॉर्म्स कर वो हमारे लिए होते हैं, वो राइट्स हमारे लिए होते हैं, हम परफॉर्मिंग्स करते हैं हमारी ड्यूटी हमारे नेशंस के लिए. इट्स कॉल्ड अ सिटीजन. व्हाट इज मीन बाय सिटीजनशिप? सिटीजनशिप क्या है? ओके, मीन्स बाय citizenship means to stay permanently in the country. You are stay in one place continuously. That means in whole our nation, in any state or any part of the district, but you are living permanently with your enjoy to rights given by the state government to perform the duty interested by the state and to be a lawyer of our to the nation. हमारे nation के लिए हम loyally काम करते हो और हम कोई भी स्टेट में वी हैव टू बी डूइंग अवर परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ ड्यूटी. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ सिटीजनशिप. आर यू सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया? वाई? क्या तुम एक इंडियन सिटीजन हो? अगर हो तो कैसे हो, क्या हो, किस तरह से हो? Yes, I am a Indian citizen because it's a first I am born in India. I stay permanently in India. I enjoy all political and the social rights given by the Indian government and I perform all duties for my country. Okay? Because I live in India, I born in India, all I'm living permanently in one place and I enjoy all political and social rights for the Indian government. Those were the given by the government. So that is a proof I am the Indian and or we have to be a perform all duty for our country, my country. Okay? Can we become the citizen of any other country? Why? So you will be taken the another country. How? Another country for citizen and why? क्यों? Okay? तो आंसर इज यस. हाँ, हम ले सकते हैं. वी कैन बिकम द सिटीजन ऑफ एनी अनदर कंट्री. हम किसी और कंट्री की भी सिटीजनशिप ले सकते हैं बाय स्टेइंग 5 और मोर देन 5 years इन दैट कंट्री. वो कंट्री में 5 and more than 5 years वी वांट टू स्टे ऑन दैट कंट्री बाय गेटिंग married with a man and woman of that country. Okay? And by giving up the citizenship of our country, first of all we will be lose our citizenship, then we will be taken the citizenship of another country. If we accept the citizenship of any other country, that will happen. If we accept the citizenship of any another country, we have to lose the citizenship of India. अगर हम हमारी कंट्री के अलावा कोई और कंट्री में जाके रहना चाहते हैं और वहाँ की सिटीज़नशिप चाहते हैं तो हाँ, वो हमें मिलेगी. लेकिन क्या होगा बेटा, हमारी इंडियन सिटीज़नशिप है ना, वो कैंसिल हो जाएगी क्योंकि इन एवरी पर्सन हैव ओनली वन सिटीज़नशिप ऑफ एनी अदर कंट्रीज. ओके? आंसर ब्रीफ. This is a brief answer, only one answer is there. Answer brief. Can any foreigner citizen be a citizen of India? How? क्या कोई भी और फॉरेनर कंट्री से आया हुआ इंसान इंडिया की सिटीजनशिप लेगा? मिल सकती है? तो अगर यस मिल सकती है. हाउ? किस तरह से? व्हाट द रीजंस आर देयर? सम रीजंस, सम instruction have to be following and taken the citizenship of India. Yes, a foreigner stay in India, example citizen of the other country, can become a citizen of our country on the basis of he or her long stay in India. Okay? But subject of the following three conditions are there. Three conditions will be a following and then they will be taken the Indian citizenship. Acquiring citizenship under the law. Law is given the some instruction. So you will be taken the Indian citizenship. If the any foreigner are coming from our country and they want to need a citizenship of our country, so that is some condition by the law. Okay? कानूनी कुछ conditions हैं. Ones are he or she must give up the citizenship of foreigner country at the time of an application for citizenship. अगर उन्हें हमारी इंडिया की citizenship लेनी है, so first of all his citizenship, his foreign citizenship want to be submitted and the application time. Okay, he and she must be a resident of the India for the 5 or more than 5 years. वो यहाँ पे इंडिया में 5 और more than 5 years से ज़्यादा वो इंडिया में कहीं पे भी एक परमानेंट प्लेस पे रहता हो, रेसिडेंट प्लेस पे रहता हो, दैट इज़ अ सेकेंड प्रूफ विल बी अ टेकन द citizenship of India. Okay, beta. And third condition, the intention of the an application must be to stay a permanent basis in India. Okay, permanently basis in the India, intention will be applicated must be, बिकॉज बेटा सिटीजनशिप देने से पहले उसकी इंक्वायरी होगी, वो अगर परमानेंट प्लेस पे रहता है तो उसका बिहेवियर कैसा है, वो हमारी सिटीजनशिप के लायक है कि नहीं, वो कहीं से क्राइम करके तो नहीं आया है, वो परफेक्टली इफ़ वी विल बी गिवन द सिटीजनशिप तो वो कहीं दूसरी कंट्री से क्राइम करके तो नहीं आया है। सब इन्फॉर्मेशन पहले निकाली जाती है, उसके बाद में उसे इंडियन सिटीजनशिप मिलेगी। तो अगर वो परमानेंटली एक प्लेस पे रहेगा तो इंसान का बिहेवियर 1 और 2 साल तक का दिखावा हो सकता है, 5 years तक का नहीं हो सकता। इसलिए दे वॉन्ट टू बी अ परमानेंटली 5 years for staying in the permanent place, so they can easily after inquiry they will be given the permission for the citizenship of India. Okay, moreover if a foreigner male and female gets married with an Indian citizen, he and she can be a citizenship of India. That is a most easy way. If they want to be a foreigner person, he or she want to getting the Indian citizenship, they will be married with a Indian person, so easily they will be got the citizenship. If any other country also better, if they want to be a going to in any foreigner country and they want to be a taken the citizenship of that place, if they will be a married of that place, so easily they've got the citizenship of that place. So beta our chapter was over, exercise also over, so you will be submitted your chapter one by one and give to me, especially sixth B division will be a not submitted the lesson, so as possible as soon you will be submitted your chapters. And okay beta, stay at your home. Goodbye.